Hello, this is Ilona. Now it's pretty windy up here. I'm trying to shield the camera from the wind, so I've just got it in my hand. You guess where I am? I'm on the coast, of course. I'm on the coast of East Yorkshire, and I am at Flamborough. I wanted to come and see all the seabirds, and there are hundreds and thousands and millions of them. So I've just had a walk from Flamborough to North Landing, it's 2 miles further along the coast, and now I'm going to set off back because the weather is not that good and it is trying to rain. So I thought I'd just have a little look. There's not a lot to look at, but we'll have to zoom in. Right, so these cliffs are absolutely full of seabirds. I was thinking there might be puffins, but to be honest, I'm not really sure. And there you go. It's a bit cold now, so I'm going to have to do this 2 miles, pretty sharpish, to get back to the car. I won't try walking about with the camera because I'm right on the edge of the cliff here, so have a quick look at the birdies. It's fascinating. It's amazing. Can you see the birds, Mother? The weather's not brilliant. It's quite overcast and windy. There's not been any sun today, which is a shame because we have had some really nice sunny days just recently, but just because I want to come out and have a day bird spotting, the weather is playing up a bit, so let's see how close we can get to these birds. The more zoom I put in, the more difficult it is to keep the camera steady. Oh, don't they look nice? Right, I'm going to set off now back to the lighthouse at Flamborough, where my car is parked. I won't be stopping the night. I'm going home. It's only about an hour and a half to go home, but it's been a smashing day out. Bird spotting at Flamborough Head, East Yorkshire. Can't see much out to sea. Oh, the sea is rough. I've actually just seen someone go into the sea. Oh, it must be freezing cold. There's a boat out there. Let's see if I can find it. Where's the boat? Where's that boat? It's very misty. There it is. Very misty. It's a good zoom on the camera. I don't know what that boat is. Oops. Anyway, thank you for popping in. This is me, Queen, having a day out on the cliffs of Flamborough. Bye for now. Toodle-pip.